In 2024, expect to see neon light-accented wall art illuminating homes. These vibrant pieces combine the nostalgic glow of neon with contemporary art, creating a striking visual impact. Whether it's a neon-lit quote that motivates you, or an abstract design that captures your imagination, these artworks are perfect for adding pops of color to minimalist spaces, or for complementing an already vibrant a cute core DIY wallpaper is making a comeback, and 3D wall coverings are following suit. This trend is not just about the personal touch, it's also about sustainability and uniqueness. From hand-painted murals to custom-printed wallpaper, the possibilities are endless. Lighting plays a key role in setting the tone of a room, and wall sconces in 2024 are expected to be more than just that. They're becoming pieces of art in their own right. The upcoming designs range from sleek and modern to ornate and vintage-inspired. These fixtures provide a soft, indirect light that can make any room feel warmer and more inviting. Combined with an artistic design, wall sconces can be accent pieces, highlight elements of other decor, or even become the centerpiece of a room. Large, oversized wall art is set to dominate the decor scene in 2024 as more and more people have realized. When it comes to art, bigger really is better. These pieces can transform the room, making a bold statement that reflects your personality and style. Their large-scale wall art adds grandness. From abstract compositions, surreal collages to oversized prints of macro photography, big wall decor has artwork for everyone. Such artwork can serve as a focal point and anchor a room, or a conversation starter. Oversized pieces are particularly effective in spacious rooms. Mirrors have always been a staple in home decor, but in 2024, they're getting a major upgrade. Backlit or LED-lit mirrors add a touch of modern luxury to any space, serving both a practical and aesthetic purpose. They provide excellent lighting for close-up cosmetic tasks, while also creating a serene ambience. Irregularly shaped mirrors, on the other hand, are all about breaking norms and adding an element of surprise to your walls. Their unconventional shapes, be it wavy, asymmetrical, or something entirely abstract, can turn a simple mirror into a piece of wall art. They make for great multi-use wall decor, reflecting more sunlight and room into your spaces.